Hello, welcome back to another Automotive Mayfair. So today we are doing Project Reynar's front discs. So Widget's going to be doing them. Yeah, so let's get into it.
Running fast, sparks ignite the sky, chasing dreams as days go by. Through the dark, the fire burns, round we go as the world turns. In the night, we hear the call, rise above, we'll never fall. Heartbeats loud, a steady drum, find the light, here we come. We are stars in this wide galaxy, shining bright.
So this is the new brake discs in. So they are Bendix General CTs. They're just basic standard ones. He doesn't need slotting and that sort of stuff. It's just it's not a highly modified car, it's just standard, but these should definitely fix some of the psychic braking issues we're having. So basically when you're braking with it, you got to brake a bit earlier before you need to know you need to brake. So that's what we're having issues. So the brake pads were replaced. Now we'll do the discs, and we've got the rear ones on order, so we'll get them going, and when they're on we'll do another video of that, and then yeah, away we go. So Widget's on his way now, we'll get started. Rightio, where are we up to, Widget? Taking the brake caliper off.
Slowly but surely, I guess.
Yep, it has a ratchet system for a reason. If you hold the socket, and you can crank it back.
Yes, I know. But
They should be finger tight by now. You should be able to undo them and just pull them out. Look how bad that disc is. That's probably why she's not braking too well. This is where you should put your gloves on.
Why?
Because there's brake dust and you don't want brake dust on your hands. Put the gloves on.
Why don't you put the gloves on?
I just told you.
What's wrong with brake dust?
It's carcinogenic. Bad for you.
Everything's bad for you.
Yeah, well, that's why you wear the gloves. Protect yourself. There's nothing wrong with that. Protecting yourself is fine.
To be honest, I should have worn gloves. I've got cuts on my hands anyway.
Right, we shall continue, and we've got this caliper off. As you can see, there's one bolt here. The other one, in Hyundai's wisdom, is in here. So that's what we're going to do now. Try and get them out. Have at it, Widget. Have at it. That's just to get the caliper frame off.
This isn't a ton of spot. I can't even get it off.
Right, well then we probably need a spanner then. Right, so I needed a spanner, sockets, no room. So here we go.
Not on? To be honest?
Yeah, just pull it back up.
I'm doing that.
What are you doing? I cracked it for you. I cracked it for you. That's it.
Should be able to do it back in there now.
I'm more worried about the other one, how we're going to get a socket in there, because I don't see how that's going to work. They could have made this a lot easier. They've decided to make this really hard. Obviously so that you take it back to them, because at the time I think Hyundai this in 2007 was still trying to get a lot of the car market. Viewers can correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that they were doing that, and they didn't want people just going anywhere else. They wanted people just to come to them and get them to do the work. So they made it difficult.
Okay.
Or it was an engineering decision and nothing to do with the mechanics of Hyundai at all, which is probably more so what it was. Engineers, gotta love them. Anyway, we'll continue in a second once he's got this one off, and we'll try and work out how we're gonna get the one underneath the main arm. Alrighty. Righto, so now we found it. We had to remove the brake line mounts, not the brake line, to get into it. And now
Got it.
we got it. So now all Widget has to do is just undo that one, and that will take the caliper frame, which is this bit here for those that don't know. And then we've still got 2 screws in there that we've got to try and get out. So that's the next fun bit, because if anyone's ever done brake discs before, they will know that that definitely it makes it hard, because they usually strip or something. So yeah, look at the muscles on Widget's arm. Look at him. He's a staunch dude. He's a big fella. Be proud of being strong. Get into, look at the muscles on him. He's strong as.
Not compared to most people nowadays.
Don't talk yourself down. You'll need those muscles later. Right, we'll get back to it in a second. Next job is those 2 screws. Alright. Don't know why it keeps blurring out the disc on this camera, people, but must be just my camera. We got a nice new camera. We just got to get a tripod going, and then
Which way is it to tighten up?
I've got the laptop coming. It's righty tighty, lefty loosey. Then we got a camera coming as well. I'm sorry, not a camera, a laptop, because Automotive Mayfair is going into not just doing up the MG, we're actually moving our channel into bespoke performance vehicle modifications and tuning cars. So I'm doing a training course as well to learn how to tune cars. So this will be getting tuned, the MG will be getting tuned, and I may possibly be able to tune my brother's 2JZ powered single turbo Aristo.
That's why I was putting brakes on this.
So yeah, well, you need brakes. It's not going to go a massive amount of extra power in this Sonata, but it will just give it that it'll just give it that. Yep. Alright, we'll get back, because people don't want to watch all of us sitting here forever. But basically there's 2 bolts top and bottom of that carry it all again. He screws that in, as you can see there. There's one at the top and there'll be one at the bottom. Let me screw them back in, and then we can put the brake pads on, wind the piston back in for the brake pads.
That's one done.
And that's one done, and that's the rest. That's the video done basically for today, and then we'll do the other one ourselves. Edit it, post her up, put her up.
Back into the. Oh, what did I? Jesus. Gee.
A spike in me, so we'll take that off for now.
Ah, get away from it. So what else we doing to your thing, MG? Raina and Bryn? No? Just
Righto, so all in, and that last bolt that goes for the fuel line mounts, that's taken us a good hour and a half, but it's on. So yeah, so from us at Automotive Mayfair, thank you for tuning in. We're going to go do the other side now, and as you can probably see from my hair, I'm all dishevelled, but yeah, it's been hard work, and we're getting there. Do the other side, rear ones will come up soon, and we'll get those done. We'll do another video of that one as well, so
should be easier.
hopefully.
There you go.
Righto, so drive safe everybody, and we'll see you on the next video. See ya.